This is Kapur Bernard. Today I'm going to present to you how to design Venn diagrams and how to insert mathematical equations in a Word document. So these are mathematical equations that we are going to look at today, plus drawing a Venn diagram. So the question says that save all your work as mathematical formulas. As usual, we are going to create a folder in our names where we shall save all our work. And so remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos as they will be being uploaded on YouTube. So my folder is called Kapur Bernard, and so in this folder we are going to create a Word document, and this Word document will be called mathematical formulas, mathematical formulas, mathematical formulas, So you enter twice to open your Word document. So this means that we shall start with the question: using a suitable word processor of your choice, draw the following Venn diagram as it appears, together with accompanying text on page 1 of the document. So we shall start with this heading: white black secondary school. We shall start with our heading: white black secondary school. And so here is our text. We can put it center and we write white black secondary school. White black secondary school. Press enter. And so this means that we are going to have this Venn diagram as it is. So study it carefully and see what we are going to do. So we go to insert. Under insert, choose smart art. When you choose smart art, click relationship. When you choose relationship, scroll down and click on basic Venn. When you click basic Venn, you can choose interconnected rings or basic Venn. So when you choose basic Venn, click OK. So after choosing basic Venn, you can move this around there and try to move it around there. Also this, move it inside and bring this around there, so that finally you have this kind of layout: two above, one below. And so we are going to write inside. And how do we do that? So you click there, go to the home tab, change size to around 14, put it to the left, right there 45, click there, size, reduce it to 14, put it to the right, and right there 50. Then click there also, change size to 14, press enter twice, even thrice is okay, put there 15. And then after putting those values, we are going to put these ones inside the subset values. So we are going to go to insert, we choose text box, we draw a text box here, and in this text box we write 30. We can also increase font size to 14. So after that, click the format tab, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. There we have our 30. We can also draw another text box there, inside right there 22, highlight it and increase font size to 14. Under shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. Draw another text box there, and inside you write there 20. You can highlight and increase font size to around 14. So after that, also you go to format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Also we need another one there. Also insert a text box. After drawing it there, inside you write there 30. Also increase font size to 14. Increase font size to 14. Under shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. So after that, you can see we have volleyball, football, basketball, 150 outside our Venn diagram. So we can also insert text box. You draw there, then you write there volleyball, volleyball. You can also highlight, increase font size to 14. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. Remember, this is got from format. So you can have the same information around there, same information around there, and same information around there. So this means that here, this is for football. This is for football, and this is basketball. This is basketball, and this is 150. So our Venn diagram is almost done. When you look here, we are mainly just putting this border and then making this color to disappear so that it looks like this. So click on your Venn, go to the design tab, change colors, and choose this dark outline. That is our Venn diagram. Then we need this border. We need that border. So with this border, you click around there, right click, format object, come to line color, say solid line, then come to color, choose dark, black text 1, then you come to line style, increase it here to around 3 pt, you click close. So this is the border surrounding our Venn diagram. So after that, highlight your title. You can take it Times New Roman, size maybe 16, and come to underline, choose wave. From here, this wave, underline, Times New Roman. So next on the instruction is that go to page 2 and type the following mathematical equations. So we are going to page 2 and to have these equations. So we are going to have those equations on page 2. How do we do that? First click there, go to insert, blank page. We are on page 2. And so we are going to have our equations on this page. How do we insert equations? First of all, these equations are numbered from Roman 1 to Roman 4. We are going also to put Roman numerals. And so how do we do that? Open brackets, let's put our font size to Times New Roman. You can have size 14. So open brackets, put small I, close brackets, press space bar. There you have formed an automatic numbering. So we go to insert object, click object. So when you click object, there comes this object dialog box. Choose Microsoft Equation 3.0, click OK. And so from this section we are going to type from here. So we are going to type our equation in here. So the equation will be written there. And so we are beginning with the integration symbol from here. Our integration symbol from there. Here you click there, and then you will choose this first one. So up there you write there X. Here click there and write Y. Then in front here you write cos lambda. Lambda is a Greek letter located here. So you click there and choose lambda from there. So we continue. Yes, so after putting cos lambda, you will open brackets as usual, x minus t, close brackets, y, open brackets, t, close brackets, dt equals f into x. So click outside your equation. So this means that we are done with equation 1. Press enter. It brings automatically next letter where we had put our equation 2. So still on equation 2, you go to insert object, then object. So our object is here, and so we are going to insert our next equation, Microsoft Equation 3.0, click OK. And so in there we are going to have our equation written. So from here we click under the radical part of it, we choose this, so it is there. So reaching at that point, we make it a fraction. The equation is here. We are going to make it a fraction. And so here we click there and choose this, so that it is like that. Then above we start with summations, and on the summations we shall choose this one here. So click there, on top you put 1, here you put 0, and then in front you open brackets and say x plus y, close brackets, then put power 3 from here. Come and say power, you write there 3. Then after click in front there, around there, you say plus. Now come back to summation, pick that, then you say x, that is into brackets, x minus y, close the brackets, and then you put the power, and that is power 2. Click below. In the next line, start with the summation, that one, open brackets, x plus y, close the brackets. Click after the end of your equation, click after the end of your equation and press enter. So that is our next equation. And so our next equation is here. These are matrices. So after pressing enter, we are now on Roman 3. We click insert object, then object, Microsoft equation 3.0, click OK. And so in this section we shall have to open brackets directly from here. So open brackets there, then inside here come to matrices and choose 2 by 2, so that here we have 2, here we have 3, here we have 1, here we have 0. So click after the brackets, put the multiplication sign, put X, then you come back to brackets again, choose those first ones, and then you come back to matrices and choose by 3. So come to matrices, choose these 3, and then here you say 2, 3, 0. Click after the brackets, you say equals, make a fraction which looks like that, and up is y, and then below is 12 with a power 12 power 2. Click outside the box, press enter, and then our last equation, is here, the y dx with some inverse. So save changes, come back to object, Microsoft equation 3.0, click OK. So this equation, we shall start with a fraction which is like that, and then we start with dy dx, click in front and say equals, then we put a fraction which looks like that, so that on top we have 1, then below we open the brackets, and in these brackets we shall still form a fraction of that nature, so that on top we have dx, and then we have dy. Continue and say minus, there we need a fraction still, and on top we have 1, then below we shall have a square root or a radical of that nature. Inside you open the brackets, and in these brackets we shall have 1 minus x squared, come to powers, choose that, put squared, click outside the equation and save changes. So these are our equations. Hope you have learned where we get them from. And so next on our instruction is insert a watermark of your names. So our equations are done, and so this means that on top is a Venn diagram on page 1. On page 2 we have equations. So we can go to page layout, watermark, then move down to custom watermark and put a text watermark instead of ASAP. Put your names Kakulu Bernard. You click OK. So that is a watermark, and our number is actually done. Save changes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, as they will be loading as more lessons are coming. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.